Hello, hello, hello! Happy day, world! Welcome to the Porenay in Croatia. Zdravo svima, dobrodošli na moj kanal. Good day, everyone! Magandang araw po sa lahat ug mayong adlaw, Cebu! Ayan, happy day, world! Welcome to our channel. So, for today's video, guys, is Easter Sunday. So, first thing first sa umaga, guys, is nagpa-harvest ako ng lahat ng mga oranges sa puno. So, gusto ko lahat makuha, guys, kasi sayang naman matagak lang, tsaka siya ubi-ripe sa puno. So, pinakuha ko silang dalawa. Tapos, ayan, ang dami pa kasi si tata, expert siya sa pagkuha talaga dyan, tsaka matangkad siya. So, kere-kere niya. Whereas ako naman, so, kailangan pa ko ng hagdanan. Kahit na naghagdan pa ako, guys, nagladder pa ako, hindi ko pa maabot yung tuktok ng mga oranges. So, ayan lang yung kapaligiran namin, close to nature. Ang dami mga fruit trees sa mga kaninunuan pa ng aking asawa, guys, na nagtatanim sila. So, kami ang naka-benefit. So, no more buying na ng mga fruits. So, ayan si Angela, atat na atat siya at gusto siyang mag-harvest ng mga oranges. And assistant siya ni tata dyan. So, dito sa Croatia, seasonal ang aming mga prutas. So, 4 seasons meron kaming lahat ng mga prutas. So, no need na mag-buy kami, makasave kami, guys. So, ayan na nga ang aming umaga. And then, the rest of the video is from our morning up to sa aming pag-dinner time at sa aming pag-church. Dahil Easter Sunday, the Lord is risen and everything. So, we have also our tradition, guys, na magsimba and as well as mag-prayer, maglagay ng candle sa aming altar, as well as family time and then church time. So, ayun. So, enjoy the rest of the video. And also, Croatian tradition, guys, is mag-colored ng mga eggs, guys. So, si Angela naman, every year, ginagawa niya yan or pagawa ko sa kanya dahil gustong-gusto niya mag-colored or mag-paint ng mga Easter eggs. So, dito naman sa bahay, hindi ko ginagawa yung fresh na eggs talaga kasi mabasag. Kasi ibuboil pa or madami. So, ito naman, plastic ang pinagamit ko kay Angela. So, happy siya, guys, na mag-colorin or mag-put ng anything na glue na glittering. So, hinayaan ko siya yung mga imaginations niya. Ayun. Andyan lang ako nakasubaybay to support na hindi masyadong messy ang ating table. And then, ito naman, guys, yung mga eggs na mga colored, plastic yan from her chocolates. So, hindi ko tinatapon. So, magagamit pa rin at magagamit na rin siya, guys, for the event, Easter eggs, Easter Sunday. So, ayan na nga, nakadisplay na natin. Ating, hindi masyado colored kasi nga nakamali ako ng paglagay ng tubig. So, dapat pala 2:1, mga ganon. At saka kailangan lagyan ng hot or boiled na water. So, ako naman nagkamali. So, anyways, okay lang yan dahil may isa pa namang egg siya from her kindergarten. So, pinagawa sila doon ng project. Ayan, yung green. So, may kanon siya, glittering na colored. And here's one of our traditional food ng Croatia is pika. Pika is composed of meat ng lamb and beef. So, as well as carrots, potatoes, onions, and garlics. And ako ang nagsiseason, guys. So, this is our traditional food, our lunch. And this is roasted. Pika is a roasted. So, it's either electric or sa manual. Yun sa may mga charcoal. At here's my plate, of course. Obviously, may rice. And si Angela naman nakakain siya ng rice, guys. Dahil sinabi ko, kain ka ng rice. And si Tata naman bread. So, and about time to go to church. It's 7 to 8 mass in the evening. Whole family, of course. So, here's the St. John. Hindi obvious, guys, na madami ang tao sa church. Pero madami sa loob. Ang nagsidatingan din. Kasi 15 minutes kami na ahead of time. And then, after that, nagpipizza house kami. Dahil si Angela gustong-gusto ng pizza na bibili. Hindi yung homemade. So, ayan na nga, wish granted para sa aking Angela. Dahil gustong-gusto niya ng pizza, guys, at ayaw niya mag-homemade kako or mag-home bake. So, lahat naman is binibigay natin sa ating mga anak as well as kaya lang. And then, here's the Grad Trugger or City of Trugger. It's already 8:30 at that time. So, we was in the church. And then, we was in a pizza house. So, ayan na, guys. If you like this video, please comment down below for the next video if you want to request. So, here's in Croatia, our traditional, cultural, as well as day-to-day lives. Ipapakita ko sa inyo and isi-share ko sa inyo, guys. Have a blessings day to everyone. And I hope you like this video. Please give us like, share, comments, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for the new update of the Porinay in Croatia. So up until next video, blessings to all, and thanks for the love and support of the Porinay in Croatia. Our channel is growing and growing every day. I hope you don't miss any of our video. So guys, from the bottom of my heart, from the city of Trugger here in Europe, Croatia, this has been Mel. Up until next video, Papa, blessings to all. Mwah!